Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. You're signed into iCloud with the Apple ID that manages HomeKit, and your Home Hub is online. Once done, open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad and tap the Home icon at upper left to reach Home settings. This gets you to the sharing controls immediately. You don't need to reconfigure accessories now. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active so the app can communicate with your hub and devices while you add people. Now invite family members. Tap Home Settings, choose People, and tap Invite. Enter the Apple ID email they use for iCloud. This links their account to your home. Select the permission level, allow editing and remote access if they need control when you're away, or limit them to specific scenes and accessories. Send the invitation and tell them to accept it on their device. Once they accept, they appear in your people list and can control devices according to the permissions you set. Finish by verifying access. Ask the new user to control a light or scene from outside your home network to confirm remote access. If something fails, make sure both accounts are signed into iCloud, the Home Hub is online and updated, and both devices run compatible iOS versions. You can always return to Home Settings to edit or revoke permissions. This is how you maintain security. If a persistent problem remains, remove the user and resend the invite after restarting the hub and both iCloud devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.